Welcome back to Pente Spotlight. I'm Grace, your friendly iPhone overthinker. The person who updates iOS only after checking Twitter to see if anyone's phone exploded.
And I'm Joshua, the guy who installs updates immediately because new software equals new life.
Today, we're talking about iOS 26.2 update. And trust me, this one's not just a bug fixes and improvements snooze fest.
Nope. Apple is rolling out this update mainly to fix some annoying system glitches, improve stability, and patch a couple of security vulnerabilities that were making experts raise eyebrows.
Oh yes, and for those who skipped the last update because it looked suspicious, this one is basically a cleanup crew. No extra drama.
Apple also confirmed that some users face performance dips and random app crashes, especially on older iPhones. 26.2 aims to smooth all that out so your phone stops acting like it woke up on the wrong side of the charger.
And the best part, the update is lightweight. Finally, an update that doesn't require you to delete 200 photos, 3 apps, and your last shred of dignity.
Apple says rollout begins region-wise, so if you don't see it yet, don't stress. Your phone's not cursed. It's just waiting its turn.
Security-wise, this update plugs a handful of vulnerabilities, including one in WebKit. If you don't know what that is, think of it like the brain of your browser. And trust us, you want that patched.
So should you update? Big yes. It's quick, clean, and your battery might even thank you for once.
That's our quick dive into iOS 26.2. Short, sweet, and hopefully helpful.
This is Pente Spotlight signing off. Go update your phone, or at least pretend you will. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We promise our updates come with 0 bugs.